The Vitamix E310 is a full-size blender that has a 48-ounce container, which is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. It has a powerful 2-horsepower motor that can handle any ingredients you throw at it, from fibrous greens to hard nuts and ice cubes. It also has a variable speed dial that lets you adjust the speed from 1 to 10, depending on what you're blending. You can also use the pulse switch to chop or mix ingredients without overblending them. The Vitamix E310 does not have any preset programs or digital timer, which means you have to manually control the blending time and speed. Some people might prefer this simplicity, while others might miss the convenience of having presets. One of the best things about the Vitamix E310 is that it can hot blend, which means you can make hot soups and sauces right in the blender. The friction from the blades can heat up the ingredients in about 6 minutes, so you don't need to use a stove or a microwave. You can also make cold desserts like ice cream and sorbet by using frozen ingredients and blending them until they're creamy. The Vitamix E310 comes with a tamper, which is a tool that helps you push down the ingredients towards the blades and prevent air pockets. The tamper is especially useful when you're making thick mixtures like nut butter or dough. Another great thing about the Vitamix E310 is that it's very easy to clean. The container and the lid are dishwasher safe, so you can just toss them in the dishwasher after use. You can also use the self-cleaning function, which involves blending warm water and a drop of dish soap for 60 seconds. The blades are not removable, but they're usually cleaned by the self-cleaning function. However, if you have some sticky residue left on the blades, you might need to use a brush or a sponge to scrub it off. Now let's talk about how the Vitamix E310 compares to other Vitamix models. The Vitamix E310 is the cheapest Vitamix blender. The Vitamix E310 is similar to the Vitamix 5200, which is one of the oldest and most popular Vitamix models. The main difference is that the Vitamix 5200 has a larger 64-ounce container, which can make larger batches of food. However, the Vitamix 5200 is also more expensive. The Vitamix E310 is different from the Vitamix Ascent and Venturist series, which are the newer and more advanced Vitamix models. These models have more features and functions, such as preset programs, digital timers, touch screens, wireless connectivity, and self-detect containers. They also have longer warranties, ranging from 8 to 10 years. If you want to learn more about these models, you can check out my other videos where I review them in detail. So what are the pros and cons of the Vitamix E310? Here are some of the pros. It's affordable and versatile. It can make smoothies, soups, ice cream, nut butter, and more with just one blender. It's powerful and durable. It can handle any ingredients and last for a long time. It's easy to use and clean. It has simple controls and dishwasher-safe parts. Here are some of the cons. It's bulky and noisy. It takes up a lot of counter space and makes a lot of noise when blending. It lacks presets and timer. It requires more manual control and attention when blending. It has a smaller container. It can't make large batches of food or fit under some cabinets. So, is the Vitamix E310 worth buying? I think it depends on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for a blender that can do a lot of things, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, then the Vitamix E310 might be a good option for you. It's a solid performer with just the essentials. However, if you're looking for a blender that has more features and functions, or you want to make larger batches of food, then you might want to consider other Vitamix models or other brands. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the Vitamix E310 or any other blender you have or want to buy. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.